It's video. Oh, wait, I know what to do. Hi, everyone. Burger King just opened in Mauritius, so then why is everyone talking about the food factory? Let's go find out. Come on.
Look at that.
Awesome. They also do a prawn one. Wow. So this is my pizza. What was that, tomato?
Yes, freshly made, our signature tomato sauce. Yeah.
And this is a cheese mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
The onion. So this is almost an exact replica of the wrap.
Yeah.
You don't fold up the pizza though, right? And then oregano, but look how he shakes it. Real expert. Into the hot oven. Wow, that is really hot. When it's onto a hot stone as well. Look at that, and look, it's shaped. Oh, beautiful. Oh man, you know that's skill. Lid back on. Okay, I think my pizza's ready. Oh, look at that. Oh, look, it's actually beautifully puffed on the edges. And then onto the wood board. Knife through like butter.
Garlic sauce.
Garlic sauce made of yogurt, garlic, and mint, but it's a complete secret.
That's a secret. And this one is for you.
And this one is for me. So he takes the slip out, he puts it there so Ricky can see it. And then Ricky takes over. Oh, wait, there's Ricky. Ta-da! Thank you so much.
Hot and delicious.
Well, it's about 12:30 and the place is starting to fill up. Remember when I said there's a reason for this?
This is the lunch combo specials. Those are good prices. So they do kebab wraps.
So this is the wrap. So some lettuce, little bit of cabbage. No, the pizza's mine, I already made it. And then the tomato. It's pickled onions, these are actual pickled onions. Oh wow. This is the coriander, because we still have Mauritius, remember? Oh, it's the pomegranate. This is a fancy pomegranate
Reduction.
Pomegranate reduction. Oh, and doesn't that really look beautiful already? They should actually just serve it like this now. Oh wait, no, we gotta get chicken. This is the shawarma. It's called a shawarma. I finally figured it out. And then on with the chicken. And that's a pile of chicken. That really is a lot of chicken that they put on here. Getting my shadow out of the way a little bit. Wait a second, he put more on. Is this just because it's mine or everyone gets this much?
Everyone.
Everyone. So I'm not special. I thought you'd give me extra. But apparently, look how much there is. Anyway. And this is the special garlic and yogurt and secret sauce.
Now we're gonna roll.
And now he's going to roll it. And this is probably where the real skill comes.
It's really simple.
Years and years of practice. And then into the fire. Well, it's been about 5 seconds since they made mine. And they're on another 4. These guys never stop. And I'm just in the way now, so I'm going to get out of here. I almost forgot that my wrap is ready. Oh, look at that. It actually gets golden toasty. Oh, that must be a sharp knife. Oh, that must be a soft wrap. So we got the Zoli Garcon.
Beautiful guy.
Beautiful guys.
Zoli Garcon. Zoli Garcon. It means me. I think that's a rough translation. Things to do with me. But it's these guys actually getting it all done. Zoli Garcon. Zoli Garcon. And he actually gave it to me because that's my name.
You kept saying soggy garçon.
Zoli Garcon, everyone. That's my pizza. Let's go outside and eat it.
Okay, so this is pretty cool. On the long tables, inside and outside, once you've grabbed your food, you can just share a table with other people. So that's like really friendly and like a big family. I like that.
What's pretty cool is I can actually learn some Creole statements here. Have a look at this one. Boat to paz. Boat to paz. Haha, Roswat.
Well, they put artists' paintings all around the walls. Local artists can have some exposure, and I think every Friday or so they even have a live band.
And of course everyone knows what fries look like, but I'm going to show this anyway. Oh, he's got secret sauce that he puts on. Salt, secret salt.
I won't show you.
Okay, so no seeing. Every night the guys come and clean the oil, and that is important. That's why their chips are so good. No way, that is the most epic idea I've heard of.
Those are gourmet fries.
Those are gourmet fries now. Coriander gourmet fries.
That's for you.
And over to a happy Rick again. Well, these are our coriander fries, and Ricky's going to put a little bit of sauce on it. But look, it's like got this. It's like a pump action. You get as much as you like proper sauce station. Awesome. And of course, there's some ketchup as well. So that was a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of ketchup. It's got a little bit of an action to it.
I'm trying to be careful, that's why. Oh, that smells lovely. Actually, let me just try it.
It's okay, not too hot.
It's hot, but it's very fresh.
Obviously, Ricky's going to put a little bit of chili on just a couple of the slices because it smells that good.
It actually tastes ridiculously nice.
A little bit behind the scenes, we're already eating the chips.
Pizza.
Zoli Garcon.
See what I have to put up with him in language. Nice.
But there's something else. You guys wait here. I'll be back in a second. Oh man, Ricky was so right. This chili is awesome. It's a little bit spicy, but the flavor is so great.
It is actually a really nice fresh chili with coriander and stuff in it. It
has afterburner. This is the best pizza we've had in Mauritius so far. It's the base. They make it themselves and they know how to make bread. Second of all, it's the tomato. That tomato,
proper tomato sauce.
homemade with herbs from the garden. And thirdly, that secret sauce, that sauce that I've told you the ingredients to like 100 times. So it's a secret ingredient.
It is a great pizza. That's a great pizza.
That is a great pizza. It's not just great, it's a little messy. Man, look at that wrap.
It is so paper thin.
Oh, wow. I think it's good. You get the coriander. That's it, the coriander. You can actually see it. It's actually a green layer in there. If you love coriander, you're going to love these wraps. So this is a special oil for the falafels.
So we don't mix anyone.
They actually make their falafels and they keep it all separate so it doesn't mix up with the other oils. Awesome. Falafel salad.
Falafel. Vegetarian meat.
The chefs here are actually professionally trained. A lot of them come from like 5-star hotels and cruise ships. And this is because of COVID. They obviously lost their jobs, but this is their secret actually, is to have the best chefs in Mauritius working right here.
Turning problems into opportunities.
Awesome, very clever guys. Well, it's right here on Sotis Road, that way to Le Quisette, and that way to the Vale.
So in Grand Baie.
So in Grand Baie, right next to Sotis Chimney. So there's a chimney close by. That's got to be good luck.
And they've got lots of parking, apparently for 70 cars. There's actually a toilet. Really nice toilet as well. So, now you know. There's no mirror, so I can't wave. I can wave in my reflection. There you go. So there's a really nice bathroom also. This is the Gran Noir. You can actually get a great coffee from the coffee machine.
From Mugato.
Okay, Mugato.
So Mugato is from Saja. Saja is one of my cousins.
Okay, so another cousin.
Yeah, so she makes all of our dishes.
Oh wow, that looks like a
And all
muktat.
of these dishes are also located in Intermart and Super U.
Okay.
So you can find these dishes there also.
Right,
But
good.
it's like especially at our place also.
You can get them here.
This is called the milk tart.
Milk tart from South Africa.
Alright.
Cake in a tub. I've actually heard of this.
It's like heaven chocolate.
Yeah, it's like a gooey, sticky chocolate
Exactly,
cake.
it's like a muddy chocolate. Snicker bar.
Snicker bar.
So Snickers with caramel.
No way. Cheesecake. Snicker bar cheesecake.
Yeah, this will
No
really
way.
give you enough energy for 1
Wow.
week.
I think so.
How much are those normally?
So this is 145 rupees.
140. Wow, okay, 145.
New York cheesecake is the original
Oh,
cheesecake.
the original cheesecake.
There you go.
Oh man. Your cousin knows how to bake. A brownie, of course.
It's
Because you guys are healthy after all.
it's walnut and brown.
Walnut
Yeah.
brownie.
So if you have missed some calories in the wrap, you can catch up. Yeah.
Fantastic.
And we have one more. We will just make it for you guys right now.
Oh, it is dense. Petra,
Yeah.
don't talk to me. Oh man. Oh. Whoa, it's quite.
It's trying to escape. This is their signature dessert, but they've got lots of other desserts. All made by another cousin.
Farm
What?
to table.
Oh, okay, the mint we saw outside. Awesome. No. No toysing.
Chocolatey delicious. I don't even think we can focus on that. Oh wow. If you like chocolate. Yeah.
Check this. You can get mints.
I kid you not, that is how popular the lamb is. Remember when it was all the way up there and twice the size? Ha! Lamb is popular. So it's not only about the great food, which is fantastic, let me tell you, you saw me enjoying all of that. But there's actually a deeper story to this. And we'll hear a little bit about it.
Alright, so there's a three guy, the three buddies, which is getting a bit famous right now.
A bit, very famous.
It's not on purpose. So myself is Zabeer, there's Ajmal, the elder cousin, and Tahir, the little one. So one thing we have in common, we love food. And
Who doesn't love food?
But you guys particularly love it if that's what you're serving.
yeah, so we love it so much we wanted to have like a big kitchen and we could serve good food to everyone, especially healthy food.
I know, I
this
told
is-
Brian it was healthy and he's like, this is
This is-
healthy? No,
you
wait,
can't
what?
possibly be
Yeah,
healthy.
so this was the biggest challenge, is to make a fast food that is healthy. The idea was to really to focus into the volume. So the thing is, everybody is going through the crisis right now.
Right.
The main idea behind was we wanted to give the opportunity again to the Mauritian people, to the guests we have in Mauritius,
Right.
so we can enjoy birthday parties, so we can
Okay.
enjoy go out with friends to eat good food in a nice place, which is very affordable.
Oh, fantastic.
So I think we will really meet this goal that we set up, and yeah, we're gonna be more than happy.
I think from what we've seen so far, this is a huge success.
Thank you.
But
so-
I'm just thinking of one little problem. On the 1st of
Tell me.
October,
Yeah.
when the foreigners start coming, you're going to need to move those cars and put chairs out there.
Maybe the rooftop.
The roof!
Oh,
Perfect!
yes, I saw there were stairs.
So
on
that's
the
that
roof.
is on the pipeline.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Three
It's-
guys with a dream. I think your dreams have come true.
I really do. I really do.
Yeah.
You're probably wondering what 400 tires are doing at the food factory, a fast food restaurant
Experience.
experience. It is an experience, guys. But tires. I have no idea, but it's part of an upcycling program that they're going to do this weekend. Well, this weekend is sometime in September, early September, like the 10th or something.
So they've probably done it and you get to, I don't know, sit on these awesome chairs or,
Whatever upcycling it is.
yeah, I can't wait to see.
Well, I think we find out why these guys are more popular than Burger King. And really, Burger King better watch out. Because these guys are really making it happening. It is fantastic what they're doing here. It's not just about fast food, it's about a special experience. And what they're offering here is a special experience. And you guys are going to agree. So anyway, everyone, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Wow. I don't know if you noticed, but I actually feel really positive after that experience.
Me too, it's like happiness.
I know, it's like a weird warm feeling because the guys have just, they're really making an effort and it just feels positive.
And I loved how the whole kitchen was open and after each order they clean and it was,
Snappy.
yeah.
And it was actually surprising how well it ran and how efficient. But that's up to the people that they chose.
And the staff was so happy and proud of everything
Exactly.
that they were doing.
And the guys, you can tell that they're passing on their positivity onto everyone else. In fact, I think they might slip a little in the food because I'm sort of feeling that way.
Yeah, me too.